In my last video, I showed how to run a simple van setup off a portable power station using just the basics. To do that, I actually disconnected my existing fuse block. It worked, but it was a bit of a temporary solution. In this video, I'm putting it all back together, but this time I'm doing it right. We're moving away from good enough to semi-professional by cleaning up the connections and adding a dedicated breaker that was missing before. The real goal here isn't about making things look pretty. It's about having dedicated lines. Instead of relying on splitters or daisy chaining gear, every device in this van, the MaxxAir fan, the puck lights, the water pump, all have their own fused circuit. If a fuse blows the lights, then I don't lose my fan in the middle of a hot night. It builds a foundation that's stable and incredibly easy to troubleshoot.
Here's the kit I'm using to get this done. I've got my ratcheting crimper and heat gun, the 12-volt accessory lead, and the basic tools needed to strip and terminate everything properly. The hub of the system is this Blue Sea fuse block. It's a solid, reliable piece of gear that's going to give me those dedicated fuse lines for each device. And the key addition for this install is this 10 amp manual reset breaker. It perfectly matches the DC output limit of the EcoFlow, giving us a dedicated safety net and a master kill switch for the whole system. The logic is simple. Power comes from the EcoFlow, hits the breaker first, then feeds the fuse block. From there, it splits into those dedicated lines. Each line is protected by a fuse size specifically for that device. It's a clean, linear flow of power that keeps the wires from ever getting overloaded. Today is about making this permanent. I'm cutting the original cigarette plug and terminating it properly with tinned heat shrink ring terminals. These ratcheting crimpers ensure the connection is mechanical, and the heat gun seals it against vibration and moisture. It's a huge step up in quality from a standard crimp, and much safer than just twisting wires or using cheap tape. Everything is back online. By removing the extra connections and adding that 10 amp breaker, the system is much more robust. No more guessing, just clean, dedicated power. It's a simple upgrade, but it's these kind of systems that give you real peace of mind when you're living off-grid.
All right, that's the 12-volt cleanup. We've gone from a basic setup to a protected, fully dedicated system. For now, 10 amps is plenty to power my current gear, but the Delta 2 Max does have other ports, like the XT60, that could potentially provide even more power if I need to upgrade the circuit in the future. I'd love to hear from you. What's the next part of your power system that you're looking to clean up? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and as always, live it stoked.